So I'm going to pull the harness through from this side, which takes a little bit of work, but I think I can get everything to slide. This is the biggest piece, which is the socket for the starter relay, but I got that to come through, and then the rest of the wiring should slide fairly easily. There we go. And we've got everything now over on the right side. And where it goes next is through the two down tubes on the frame to the front. So that's where I'm headed next. So I'm just about ready to pull the harness out of the bike. The other things I had to do was remove the controls here off the handlebars, and those kind of slide in here through the forks, so they're all connected into the headlight shell. So I want to get those free and loose. And then the other thing is I removed the little screw here that holds the cable plug into the instrument cluster, and that also goes into the headlight. So I'm going to route that down and out of the way. And now mostly it's carefully pulling the harness and feeding the connectors that are on it carefully through the center, so I don't do any huge damage to anything, and basically snake it out. Of course, all the little ends on the wires and the connectors want to catch on everything, so you just have to keep sort of working at it. And then there you go. There's the whole harness, main harness, out of the bike. So success at last.